Hey everyone, and welcome to Storytime. Today, we've got a really fun tale about a super smart wolf, a kind of silly dog, and a very clever cat. Are you all settled in? Awesome, let's dive in.
So, our story kicks off with this dog who was, well, very, very old. He'd been an amazing guard dog his whole life, but now, his owner thought he was just too old to help out anymore. And just like that, the poor dog had to leave his warm, cozy home and head out into the great big world all by himself.
So this poor fella wandered and wandered, feeling so sad and all alone. And his tummy, it started to go rumble, rumble, rumble. He was so hungry. He tried chasing after little mice for a snack, but they were way too quick for him. Boy, did he miss his comfy bed and his dinner bowl.
But you know what? Just when our dog was feeling his absolute saddest, a new friend was right around the corner. And trust me, it was a very surprising new friend.
All of a sudden, a wolf appeared. But hold on, he wasn't one of those big, scary wolves from the stories. Nope, he saw the sad little dog and said, "Hey there, you look hungry. Why don't you come with me? I'll help you find some really yummy food."
So off they went together. First up, they saw a whole bunch of fluffy sheep, but the wolf just shook his head. "Nah," he said, "we'll just end up with a mouthful of wool and we'll still be hungry." A little later, they saw some geese, but again, the wolf was like, "Nope, way too many feathers." He was holding out for something much, much better.
And then they saw it. A big, strong horse just peacefully munching on some grass in a field. The wolf's eyes totally lit up. "Perfect," he whispered to the dog. "Okay, this is going to be our dinner, but you gotta watch me closely. I've got a secret plan."
Okay, so the wolf's plan was, well, it was a little strange. First, he started pawing at the ground to make himself feel all fierce. Then, he whispered to the dog, "Quick, look at my tail. Is it shaking yet?" The dog nodded. "Yep, good," said the wolf. "Now, what about my eyes? Do they look kind of sleepy?" The dog looked really close. And you know what? They did. What a funny way to get ready for dinner.
And with a giant leap, that clever wolf caught the horse. And just like he promised, he shared the whole big meal with his new friend. The old dog ate and ate until his tummy was completely full for the first time in such a long time. Oh, he was so happy.
So feeling full and pretty proud of himself, the dog said goodbye to the wolf and kept on walking. But his big adventure wasn't quite over yet. Turns out he was about to meet another animal who needed some help.
Before long, he met a little old cat who looked very sad and very hungry, just like the dog used to be. The cat told him that her owner didn't want her anymore either, all because she was getting too old to catch mice.
Well, the dog just puffed out his chest, feeling so brave and important. He remembered the wolf's trick and thought, "I can do that." He told the cat, "Don't you worry one bit, you're with me now. I am going to catch us a huge dinner. You just wait and see."
Oh yeah, the dog was so excited to show off what he had learned. He was going to try the wolf's secret plan all by himself. Let's see how this goes. So, just like before, they saw some sheep and then they saw some geese. And the dog, trying to sound exactly like the wolf, just waved his paw and said, "Biffed! Wool and feathers! No, no, no! We need something much, much bigger than that."
And wouldn't you know it, they soon found another big horse. The dog turned to the cat with a huge, proud smile. "There," he announced. "That is going to be our dinner. Now get ready for some real action."
But was the dog's plan actually working? He started pawing the ground, trying to look fierce. "Hey cat," he asked, "is my tail shaking?" The cat took a look. Not really." The dog pawed the ground even harder. "Okay, what about my eyes? Are they sleepy and glazed over?" The cat just shook his little head. "Nope, you just look like you." The dog was getting a little antsy. This copying thing was way harder than it looked. But he was way too proud to admit it. "Oh, whatever," he barked. "Let's just get that horse anyway." And he charged straight ahead. But that horse, it was not impressed. Not at all. It just turned around, gave a mighty kick with its back legs, and whoosh! Our silly dog went tumbling right through the air. He landed on the ground with a big old thump, feeling very, very dizzy. The cat ran over to the dog, who was still seeing stars. The cat just tilted his head, looked at his dizzy new friend, and said with a little giggle, Well, your eyes are definitely glazed over now.
Our silly dog was a little bit sore, but you know what? He was also a little bit wiser. So I've got a question for you. What big lesson do you think that dog learned that day? It's fun to think about, isn't it? Thanks for listening to our story, and we'll see you for the next one.